Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on congruence tests. We saw in an earlier video that congruent triangles are exactly the same in all respects. In this video we will see 4 basic tests that we can use to show that two triangles are congruent. Test 1 is called SSS. The above 3 letters stand for side, side, side. This tells us that two triangles are congruent if the 3 sides of one are respectively equal to 3 sides of the other. And here we are. There's a triangle here and a triangle there, and those marks there tell us that those 3 sides are respectively equal to those 3 sides. This symbol here means congruence, and the reason is side, side, side. Test number 2, side, angle, side. So SAS, so the above 3 letters stand for side, angle, side. This tells us that two triangles are congruent if 2 sides and the included angle of one are respectively equal to 2 sides and the included angle of the other. The diagram is on the next slide. So, we have 2 sides, there they are there, and the included angle are all equal. So the 2 sides are equal, the included angles are equal, the 2 triangles are congruent, and the reason is side, angle, side. Test number 3 is called AAS. The above 3 letters stand for angle, angle, side. This tells us that two triangles are congruent if 2 angles and the side of one are respectively equal to 2 angles and the corresponding side of the other. So there's 2 angles there and 2 angles there, that side and that side. Those 2 angles equal those 2, that side equals that side. The 2 triangles are congruent, and the reason is angle, angle, side. Test number 4, right angle, hypotenuse, side. The above 3 letters stand for right angle, hypotenuse, side. This tells us the two triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and a side of one are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and a side of the other. The diagram is on the next slide. So you got the right angle equals that right angle. That hypotenuse equals that hypotenuse, and that side equals that side. So it's called RHS, that's the reason, and the two triangles are congruent. So here are some quick examples. All units are the same in each example. So whatever the measurements or the units are for the first diagram, they're the same for the second. We can see that that triangle is congruent to this one because of side, side, side. We can see that this triangle is congruent to this one because of side, angle, side. The 2 sides in the included angle are equal to the 2 sides in the included angle. Over here, those 2 triangles are congruent, okay, because we have angle, angle, side. So those 2 angles are equal to those 2 angles. That side is equal to that side. So angle, angle, side is the reason. And those 2 triangles are congruent because that right angle is equal to this one, that hypotenuse is equal to this one, and that side is equal to that one. So it's right angle, hypotenuse, side. So this video has introduced the idea of congruence tests, and we've seen 4 basic tests which tell us, they give us the reasons why 2 triangles are congruent to each other. Congruent means exactly the same in all respects.